What's up guys? Leaked renders and official videos of the upcoming Galaxy S21 series smartphones have already revealed their design. And now we are looking at a working Galaxy S21 Plus 5G that has appeared in a hands-on video posted by the YouTuber Random Stuff 2. The video shows off the smartphone's slim bezels and the YouTuber says that the Galaxy S21 Plus 5G is really good and he is impressed, but the cameras capture pictures with saturated colors. That's hardly a surprise since the phone appears to be a pre-production unit and is likely not running the final firmware. The YouTuber further says that the battery on the Galaxy S21 Plus 5G is really good and can easily hold for a whole day. He also runs Geekbench 5 on the phone, seemingly having a Snapdragon 888 SoC at the helm, and it scored 1115 in single-core and 3326 in multi-core tests, respectively. You can expect improved performance in the final unit. So that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.